This brand is made in Japan by Fujitsu General and is available in the USA and Canada through their factory-authorized dealer network. The brand features state-of-the-art inverter compressors and coated coils for durability. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and are backed by a very good warranty when the units are registered online. The Achiever Plus Series UOSH models are ultimate heat pumps with a 33 SEER cooling efficiency and a 14.2 HSPF heating efficiency. The units are very quiet even when operating on high speed, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The Achiever Plus Series UOMH models are premium multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. They have a 19.7 SEER cooling efficiency and a 10.3 HSPF heating efficiency. The units can improve the home's indoor air quality thanks to their Apple catechin filter, which is a static electricity filter that traps and destroys microorganisms, as well as with their deodorizing filter. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.